Canada, I must say you will be missed. I trade my winter gloves for a pair of oven mitts. Flip-flops in December, damn I'm loving this. And I can still go skiing at the Mall of the Emirates. Shit, all jokes aside, Dubai's the best. Just host a visitor and tell me if it's not impressed. Built from the desert, but you would've never guessed. Best of the Middle East, sprinkled with some West. Perfect place to travel from, but this is where my base is. What a perfect blend of 50 different places. All the diverse cultures, languages and races. Adds a real spice to life that everyone embraces. From a desert with some shrubs to a world hub. From not being on the map to its own rap. Sheikh Mohammed raised his vision straight to the sky. Make your arms do the same, let's hear it roar. I say alhamdulillah that things are back to going well. The economy and buildings are both growing well. So bring the tourists on, we'll play some show and tell. Let's add 2 to a 5-star hotel. That's the Burj Al Arab, in case you didn't get it. Just pick a record out, let's make a bet we set it. And if it's set then we'll break it and we will maintain. Look up at the Burj Khalifa, just make sure your neck don't sprain. Wanna see some culture? You can see them all. Wanna do some shopping?